5 volcano eruptions caught on camera. At number 5, we have Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano, which erupted in 2013. Popocatépetl erupts every few years. Nearby residents have learned to stay well clear of this volcano. Last year, Mount Shindig erupted in Japan, which covered nearby towns in ash and dust for weeks. One was reported to have been killed, but nearby airports and facilities had to be shut down for days until the ash subsided.